Assalamu Alaikum Dr. Zakir Naik. My name is Ziaullah and I'm a worker. I got two questions. First of all, I'm going to tell you I love you because the way you are speaking about Islam is terrific. It's very nice. And my first question is, the place where I'm working is like half and half. Is it like halal food is selling there and haram as well, like khinzeer, pig, these things? If I'm working there, about relating over the money which I'm receiving, what do you think about that? Is that halal for me? Is there any sin on me? The second question is, because when I start to see your lecturing, I wish in my heart that when I see you face to face, I would like to give you a heart. Can I come to the stage and give you a heart?
Brother asked the question that he works in a place which serves food. Part of it is halal, part is haram. And the thing to be noted that, is it a business which sells food? Or are you working in a place, an office, which serves food for the staff or employees? So is it an office?
No, I'm just a staff.
Yes, if you're working in a shop which sells haram food and halal food, if the haram food is in a very small minority, maybe the gross turnover, the haram food may be 1% or 2%, then there can be possibilities. But if quite a large portion is haram food, then you should not work in that shop. It's haram. You can't work in an alcohol shop. You can't work in a shop which sells pork. If you're working in a 5-star hotel, which has got lodging, boarding, everything, and the food is a small portion of the income, and in that food, maybe 50% is haram, then it may be fine. Working in a 5-star hotel with the main income is lodging, boarding, part of it is food. In that part, maybe pork is haram, alcohol is haram, etc. So in that case, it will be permissible. But if you are working in a shop which sells only food, and if majority of the food, more than 50% or even quite a large portion, 25% or 20%, there's no percentage per se. But if it's selling haram food and we're involved in selling that, then working in that shop becomes haram, brother. Hope that answers the question. As soon as possible, you change your profession. Take a job, inshallah, Allah will give you. Try and find a better job, and that will be better for your risk also and for your akhiras.